Hi, this is Renee for Renee's Bookkeeping. This is part 2 in our series of filing 1099s. This is going to be going through a little recap and then how to file the 1099s. This is for QuickBooks Online specifically. Thank you. All right, so I'm in the demo company. The demo company is available, it's a sample company on QuickBooks Intuit. You can find it anywhere if you want to play around in here. All right, so we already went through your categories of what who you want to file for, and you can pretty much find that in your profit and loss. Look at the specific categories. Contractors need it, subcontractors and professionals and rent. Okay, we already did that. So now you're ready to file. Let's say you've put in all of your vendors' information, you've put in their tax ID number, their address looks good, everything looks good. Real quick, you've looked at all your vendors, like let's say this vendor, and you have the name in, the address, and their tax ID belongs in here. Okay, and you've saved it. 1, 2, 3, that's an erroneous number. But anyway, so what you're going to do is, when you're ready, you go back to the vendor screen, the main vendor area. You see this? You hit Prepare 1099. So you went over here, Expense, Vendors. Now we're here, Prepare 1099s. Okay, you hit Continue, your 1099s. Right, so I'm going to go back because we want to make sure this company information is right. If it pops you into any of these other areas, that means you might have done them in the past. But we want to just go back and make sure everything's good. So you review your company information, you review your tax ID, you review your phone number, and you hit Next. You fix it if you need to. Okay? Then you are going to make sure you've picked all your accounts. So this first one is non-employee compensation. So put subcontractors in there. In this instance, I'm going to put accounting and legal, lawyer. Let's say, if I was a contractor, I might use like, labor or something. So you'll put all those miscellaneous areas in there. And then you want to pick your rent account that goes in this section. So you pick your rent expense name. And then you hit Next. Let's see. All right, so this is a nice list to do in advance of doing your 1099s because it tells you if you're missing anything. So if you are missing anything, you can save and finish later. Go back to this ABC Legal and fix it and put everything in there. So we're going to just say Next. It's going to say you need to enter this before you file. So we can print an information sheet. So what I like about this is it shows everything. It shows you how many forms and who's on it, and it just kind of gives you an idea of who's getting one. Okay? And you hit Next, finish preparing. Now I would say do the automatic file and delivery and then just send it right through QuickBooks. If you do it earlier in the month, it's cheaper. If you wait until after the 15th, they charge you more, just as a little FYI. So see, it says come back on January 1st. What I will say is that when you're in filing these, it gives you opportunity to print everything. So I would print everything because notoriously somebody loses it, doesn't get it, You can also put email addresses in for all of your subcontractors. So when you're asking them for their W-9 information, also ask them for their email address. And they can get an electronic copy. They will also get a mailed copy. So if they don't retrieve that filed copy, they'll be able to get it in the mail from QuickBooks. They'll just send it to them immediately. Okay, so that's my synopsis on how to do 1099s. It's pretty easy. Give yourself a few hours to do it. And if you don't want to do it, you can find us on the internet. Thank you. Bye.